So I get it. There's one. Look.
Oh damn. You gotta. When is your contest?
It's in a few minutes.
All right.
You got something for me?
Yeah, I got you on the wheat grain hawk, man. It's gonna get you together, brother. The vegan protein, spinach, and the bananas. Good for protein, bro. I got you.
All right.
And the cool thing is no powdered sugars, no added flavors, no seasoning, all fruit, bro. All fruit, veg.
So
You get 100% of the product this way. Then here go the vegan protein for you, bro. I got you, man. Don't worry, bro. You be able to. This will do the trick. It's all about your diet, what you put in, man. You are what you eat. You are what you consume in your body. You an athlete?
Yeah, I'm an athlete. I play football.
You play football?
Yeah.
What position?
I'm a right guard.
Right guard? That's the key to success, man. Everything you need is all in the fruits and the vegetables, man. Here, go ahead and try that.
You see me energy. You gonna get that competition now.
Ooh. Hey, I got you, bro. Hey, tell everybody where to come and get they got you right.
And we just got the best smoothies, sushi, and sandwiches and bowls. Come to We Juice.